Hello, everybody. My name is Trey Hinote. I am currently a sophomore here at Dort, and I am studying business marketing. What kind of brought me to that was I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with my life, and I just feel like that's kind of a broad area. And I like dealing with people, and I like talking in groups and everything, and I feel like that's kind of just what God has called me to do. A little bit about myself. I also currently play basketball here. As a part of the basketball team and Defender Nation. So shout out to you guys. Another hobby of mine is I like to do artwork and I draw. And I recently over Christmas break, I actually started drawing for people, and a lot of people had me do some Christmas presents for them, which was very enjoyable for me. Another hobby of mine would be I like just hanging out with my family, my little cousins. I actually have a cousin in every grade from my grade all the way down to second grade, which is kind of cool. Jobs I've had is currently I work at Pizza Ranch here in town. I deliver, so if you guys ever need a pizza made or pizza taken to you, just call Trey Hinote. I'm the best in town. Another job I've had is I worked at a grocery store in my hometown for the last 5 years, which is horrible. It's a boring job. I don't encourage that out of anybody because it's kind of, it's a grocery store. Community involvement. Obviously, I'm grown up in a Christian family, and my grandpa's a pastor. Been part of the youth group all my life, which is pretty awesome. We've done a lot of things, taking clothes to homeless in Omaha and stuff like that, which is awesome. What drives me would be probably just my grandma and grandpa. I look up to them the most out of everybody, and I kind of want to base what I do I kind of use them as an example and try to live a life like they do and live a life for Christ. What makes me me? I'm a goofy kid. I like to talk to people. I don't like to hide behind a screen. This is kind of new to me, so it's not my favorite thing in the world, but we can make it work. But yeah, that's a little bit about myself, and I look forward to getting to know you guys more.